Hi there, in this video we're going to be discussing the Xometry Packing Slip. So I want to make sure that you are in the right location in order to find this. You want to make sure that you are on the job page, and then the only way to access this is to make sure that you're on the Shipping Started tab. This part status right here, and that means that you have done the raw material received status, production started status, and of course the inspection started status. You'll be able to access this button that says ship, and then you'll be taken directly to our shipping page. So you'll see on the left hand side it has all of the information that you'll need regarding the location. So you'll see exactly where this package is going, and then you'll also see the shipping method that's requested. So on the right hand side is what you need to really pay attention to. So these are the documents to include. On the left hand side you'll see that there's things that need to be included on the outside of the box. So this is the packing slip. So this shouldn't be anything unusual to your shop, but we do provide a packing slip for you. We'll go into detail on that later. On the right hand side you'll see that there are things that need to be included inside of the box. On this particular job you need an inspection report, a signed COC, and material certifications. You can actually access all of those files and where to input them on the previous status update of inspection. You can go ahead and check these boxes as well as soon as you're ready, and then you can go to the print packing slip page. So this will take you exactly to the packing slip itself. You'll be able to print it right from this page, and there are just some things that I want to go over just to note that maybe look different or maybe unique to Xometry. So the first thing, of course, is that Xometry logo right up top. So this is what we need to identify Xometry as a manufacturing source to the end customer. So they're expecting the package from Xometry, they expect to see this logo, they will be confused if they see another company's logo, so it's important that this is the packing list that you use. Any use of an individual shop's packing slip in place of the provided slip is a violation of the Xometry NDA, so just want to make sure that this is the packing slip that you're using. Right below that you're going to see a number that may look a little different from you. This is the order ID. This is different from the job ID. This is what the customer uses to identify their order. So just so you know, it may look a little different, but it is the correct number. It is generated automatically from that job page. On the right hand side you're going to see again that shipping information that was on the previous page, and then some information about the shipping info. So the carrier, in this instance is FedEx, and then you can also see this is a freight priority. All right, and if you scroll down, you'll also see all of those part details as well, all the information that you had access to directly on the platform. We just want to make sure that the customer is aware of exactly what's in this box. If there are any sort of certifications are required, that might show up right here in this box, and any other details that may need required will be right on this packing slip. So we want to make sure, of course, that you are attaching the packing slip to the outside of the box. And then if you have any questions throughout this process, either regarding the packing slip or any other required documentation, feel free to contact us as always at work@xometry.com. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.